Welcome to the course The Impact of Technology. Really happy to see you here today, and welcome to the first video of the course. Here we see the rocket. This is a locomotive developed by Stephenson in 1829, and this is one good example of a technology that have had a huge impact on the development of our society, the steam engine. And in this particular case, this locomotive is the first one that was used in public transport. But this is not a course about old trains, but we will still bring you on a journey. We will bring you on a journey into the future, looking at what the future may look like if we fully utilize the potential of the technology we already have today. Myself, I've been mainly working with telecoms and IT and television, with marketing, strategy, product management in my career. And in my different roles, I've had to try to predict the future, so I've used a lot of the kind of foresighting techniques and some of those that we will use in this course as well. So why are you looking at this? Why are you signing up for this course? Well, I could just guess, but it may be so that you have some really important questions for you. That may be what is the potential value of the technology I work with? Or it may be very specific questions like how will Internet of Things influence the travel industry? Or how will the mining industry handle the digital transformation? You may be an investor, or an engineer, or a researcher, or maybe working with business development or strategy. But those questions, they are not easy to answer. And the reason is that we only have data about the past, but we would like to know what will happen in the future. To quote Clayton Christensen, the only way you can look into the future, since there is no data, is to have a very good theory or a model. And that is exactly what we will do in this course. We will do that theory or model for the future. How do we do that? Well, this is not a course in science fiction. We will not do some predictions that are kind of rather fluffy and very far into the future, and we will not write a book like this one by Jules Verne. What we're going to do is to look in a time frame of kind of 10 to 20 years into the future and look what that may look like if we just utilize the technology that already exists. So we will try to draw a map of the future. What can the future look like if we take all these things into account? Once we have that map, we will see what maybe interesting destinations on that map. Destinations in this sense is another word for business roles in a value network. You will also look at and compare those destinations or business roles and look at which ones may be most interesting for you. That, of course, depends on your situation and your capabilities. Once we have drawn the map, seen the destinations, and find one that may be interesting, we can also try to figure out how do we move from where we are today to that desired destination in the future. The way we have structured this course is in 6 main modules. There are a number of quizzes. Also, we have quite a few assignments throughout the course, small ones and large ones, because you need to practice how to do this. And we also have a final exam. We estimate that you need about 5 hours a week to do this, to do all the required, and you have to do all the required assignments and quizzes and so on. But as you know, just taking this course will not make you into an expert. You need, of course, also to practice this and gain some experience within this field to master this topic. In the following videos, we will go through the overall process. We will look at also at one historical example, and by the end of this introduction, you yourself would do an assignment where you analyze a historical development, a specific technology in a specific market. So once again, welcome to this course and this exciting topic, and I'm sure you will find this course really valuable. Thank you.